This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a convenient location on the border of the Gold Coast and River North neighborhoods, steps from great dining, nightlife, and shopping, for a tour of one of the apartments at Chestnut Place. I'm at apartment 2F, a very unusual convertible, one of a kind in the building. We've got plank flooring that extends throughout the space, wide wall of windows off to my right. Off to my left, you see a sliding barn door entering into the sleeping area. Updated kitchen as a side-by-side refrigerator freezer, built-in microwave, dishwasher, 4-burner electric range. There's a tile backsplash, designer faucet, nook that would be ideal for a home office, but there's so many spaces here that would function well as a home office that it's going to be a challenge to bring your imagination on how you lay out your furniture. You have a lot of options here. Getting into the sleeping area, it's really spacious. Continuing back, again an area where you could lay out a home office. Looking at first of 3 walk-in closets. Again, very unusual in a convertible apartment. Turning a look at the wide entry foyer. Bath, attractively updated, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, espresso-stained vanity, track lighting up above. Walk-in closet number 2 with organizers also. And turning to look at the extension of the sleeping space. Heading back toward the kitchen. Walk-in closet number 3, again with organizers. So a very unusual space in a building that has an appealing, completely updated suite of amenities. In a walk-to-everything location. Really want to have Chestnut Place high on your must-see list, and you definitely want to take a look at this very distinctive space. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.